Hey, so if you want to turn raw data into clear insights, yeah, Zoho Analytics is one of the best tools for reporting. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate reports step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho account and open Zoho Analytics from your app's dashboard. Once you're in, either create a new workspace or open an existing one where your data is stored. If you haven't added data yet, click Import Data and upload your file, like Excel, CSV, or connect a cloud app. Now click on Create Report or Create View to start building your report. Select the type of report you want, like Table, Chart, Pivot Table, or Summary View. Now drag and drop your data fields into rows, columns, or values. This is where your report starts taking shape. You can add filters to focus on specific data, like dates, regions, or categories. Yeah, this makes reports way more useful. Next, choose how your data looks: bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, whatever makes your insights clearer. Once your report is ready, click Save, and you can also share it with your team or schedule automatic updates. And yeah, that's it. Zoho Analytics makes reporting simple once you understand the basics, and it really helps you make smarter decisions.